This video is all about horror film tips. I'm Jake from B&H. Subscribe now, or we'll send zombies after you in your sleep. And for those of you who aren't afraid of zombies, don't think we won't send a clown. Because if you're not afraid of clowns, well, you should be. Without further ado, here are our top 7 tips on making a horror film. Whether it's zombies or scary clowns, seriously, does no one else find this remotely creepy? Anyways, getting the right look with the right clothes and makeup is pretty key. Now obviously costumes and makeup, like anything, will depend on the story you're telling. Maybe you have a budget to get a legit makeup artist to help mock up a zombie face, or maybe you pick up some mysterious mask, whatever floats your boat here. Up next, atmosphere. Now this can mean a lot of things. Picking the right location, whether it's a cemetery, a dark room, a creepy house on top of a hill. Typically speaking, many horror films are set at night, which definitely sets a certain tone. Other things that can add to atmosphere are fun things like fog or a creepy mist. I mean, really guys, who doesn't like playing with fog machines on set? Okay, now here's where we get fancy. Lighting. Nothing sets the mood in any film like the right lighting. Again, night scenes are a big player within the horror world, so lighting for night specifically is something to take big note of. Now, this could be a video all in itself, and if you'd like for us to shoot a how to shoot a night scene video, let us know in the comments. But for now, here are some quick tips for lighting at night. Mimicking the feeling of moonlight. Oftentimes, movie scenes will translate this as a blue tone light. Here's where LED lights become our nearest and dearest friends. With LED lights, you can also choose different colors and different moods to go along with the specific scare you're going for. Something to remember here, a big part of night scenes is also the absence of light. You can make sure the lighting also results in shadows, having your audience asking, what's lurking in the shadows? This adds mystery. Shadows on the face can also give some depth to the look of your character. Camera position and moves. Whether it's a POV or a shaky running scene, what you do with your camera also influences the feeling of that scary moment. Now, a POV is a point of view shot. Perhaps we see from the potential victim's point of view to make us sympathize and fear for their safety. Dutch angle, where the camera is set at an angle, can evoke an uncomfortable feeling in your film. Perhaps we're looking up at a freaky, scary clown. Okay, no more clowns, I agree. All right, let's move on. Editing. Of course, this is where the magic comes together. That tense chase scene through the woods wouldn't have had the same tension without the right cuts to increase that tension. You can also throw in some jump shots, the right moment to cut to when the character is falling, choosing whether to use a close-up or a wide isolating shot. All of these things will affect the piece. Music. Now, editing-wise, music is really the main thing that sets the tone for anything. Suspenseful music, tense music. Oh, what's that? How does music affect mood, you ask? Well, we actually made a video about that. You can find it right here. Combined with sound effects, you really have something. Now, check out this creepy scene we shot. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments below. I'm sure I did. I do it all the time. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep scaring.